Want to create a Netflix account and start watching movies but don't know how to? Well, you are in the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Netflix account and start watching. So first what you have to do is open your Netflix app. Then you will see an interface like this. Then what you have to do is simply click on the big red button that says get started. Click on it. After that, write your email. Then click on get started. Click on continue to email. Wait for the message from the uh, Netflix to load. Then you will see a mail from Netflix like this, and then simply open that mail and then click on create your account. After that, click on finish sign up, and there you go, your account is now created. Now you can buy the subscription and start watching movies on Netflix. So this was it on how you can create a Netflix account. So if you found this video, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.